Welcome to your 1-minute current affairs snippet from Nischay Civil Services. Right now, things between India and Pakistan, they're pretty much in a deep freeze.
So, why do they just work together on something so incredibly important? Believe it or not, they shared lists of their secret nuclear sites with each other. It's all part of a pact where they promise not to attack each other's nuclear facilities.
And get this, they've done this for 35 years straight. 35.
The pact was signed way back in '88, and they started this exchange back in 1992.
But wait, the cooperation didn't just stop there. It gets even more personal.
They also swapped lists of prisoners, we're talking civilians and fishermen, held in each other's jails. India handed over its list, and Pakistan shared theirs. These are real people, you know? And now both governments are pushing for the quick release and return of these prisoners. It just makes you wonder, can these small, consistent acts actually stop a much bigger crisis?